Hi, to record screen with or without sound on iPhone 16e, firstly, we need to swipe down from top right corner to trigger control center. So here you need to search for this icon with like a circle in it, which is screen recordings. If you cannot find it on your first list, you can go in your second list or third. If you cannot see it, then press and hold free space on the screen. Click to edit control and find it in this list. Tap to select and save changes. So right now, before we start recording, we need to decide whether we want to record with sound or not. For that, you need to press and hold the icon. And here you'll see this option for microphone. Mine is turned off right now, so we'll record with disabled microphone. And everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. You can enable D&D mode to prevent unexpected notifications. And here choose where you want to save your recording. In my case, it is Photos app. And now to start recording, just tap it once. You will see 3 seconds countdown and the icon will be red and white, meaning recording has been started. Also, you will see this red color on your time in the upper left corner. And to stop recording, you need to click here and click stop. If you want to record with sound, then do basically the same, so press and hold the icon, but now click on microphone once, so it will light up red and you will see status on. All is left is to tap the icon, wait 3 seconds, and now your recording will be with sound. So everything will be saved to your Photos app. And here it is. This is this with sound. Recording will be with. And this one without sound. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.